They say one person's freedom ends where another's begins. And since sometimes the border is not visible enough, the door opening warning system gives it a shape, color, and even sound. Side Assist with Door Opening Warning. Another clever feature to make your journey safer. The door opening warning is an intuitive system that activates when the car registers something approaching in your blind spot in the moment you open the door. The light on the side view mirror will flash rapidly, the door ambilight will turn red on both front doors, and an alarm sound will activate. Though it isn't recommended, you can deactivate the door opening warning by navigating to Menu, Assist Systems, and sliding Side Assist off. You can also deactivate it by clicking the car button on your steering wheel to access the assistance systems. Use the scroll button to select Side Assist, which the door opening system is part of, and press the scroll button to switch the system off or on. We wish you safe travels with the Side Assist with Door Opening Warning and hope you're enjoying your new Škoda.
Škoda. Simply clever.